If you have no credit history, or a damaged credit score, getting approved for a credit card feels like an impossible loop. You need credit to build credit, and you cannot get credit without credit. But that loop can be broken. In 2026, there are specific credit cards designed precisely for people starting from zero or rebuilding after financial difficulty. Used correctly, these cards can take you from no credit history to a credit score in the 700s within 12 to 24 months, opening the door to better loan rates, mortgage approval, and significantly lower cost of borrowing for the rest of your life. In this video I am going to break down the top 5 credit cards for building credit from scratch in the US in 2026, covering secured cards, starter unsecured cards, and student cards, with the real numbers on fees, deposits, and credit limits so you can choose the right one for your situation. Before we get into the cards, you need to understand exactly how using a credit card builds your credit score. Your FICO credit score, which is what most lenders use, is calculated using 5 factors. Payment history makes up 35% of your score and is the single most important factor. Paying on time, every time, consistently is the fastest way to build credit. Credit utilization makes up 30% of your score. This is the percentage of your available credit limit that you are using. Keeping your balance below 30% of your limit is strongly recommended. Below 10% is ideal. Length of credit history makes up 15% of your score. The longer your accounts have been open, the better. This is why starting early matters. Credit mix makes up 10%, having different types of credit, such as a credit card and an installment loan, slightly improves your score. New credit makes up the remaining 10%, applying for multiple cards in a short period can temporarily reduce your score. The key takeaway: use your card for small purchases, pay the full balance every month before the due date, and keep your utilization below 30%. That is the entire credit building formula. There are 2 main types of credit cards for building credit: secured and unsecured. A secured credit card requires a cash deposit, typically between $200 and $500, which becomes your credit limit. If you deposit $300, your credit limit is $300. The deposit protects the issuer if you default, which is why they are willing to approve applicants with no credit history. You use the card like a normal credit card, make purchases, pay the bill monthly, and the issuer reports your payment behavior to the 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Over time this builds your credit file. Most secured cards allow you to graduate to an unsecured card after 12 to 18 months of responsible use. And your deposit is returned. An unsecured credit card for credit building does not require a deposit. These are typically available to people with thin credit files, such as students or recent immigrants, or to people with fair credit scores in the 580 to 660 range. They usually have lower credit limits and higher interest rates than standard unsecured cards, but they serve the same credit building purpose without tying up cash as a deposit. Card number 1, the Discover It Secured Credit Card. This is widely considered the best secured card available in the US in 2026 for one primary reason: it earns rewards while you build credit, which no other major secured card does at this level. Annual fee, 0. Minimum deposit, $200, which becomes your initial credit limit. Maximum deposit and credit limit, $2,500. APR, 28.24% variable. Rewards, 2% cashback at gas stations and restaurants up to $1,000 in combined purchases per quarter, and 1% cashback on all other purchases. At the end of your first year, Discover automatically matches all cashback you have earned, dollar for dollar, as a welcome offer called Cashback Match. There is no minimum cashback amount to redeem. Credit Bureau reporting: all 3 major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Graduation: Discover automatically reviews your account starting at 7 months to see if you qualify to upgrade to an unsecured card and have your deposit returned. This card is the top recommendation for most beginners because the 0 annual fee and cashback rewards mean it is genuinely free to use responsibly, and it still builds your credit. Card number 2, the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card. The standout feature of this card is the potential to get a higher credit limit than your deposit, which is unusual for secured cards and significantly helps your credit utilization ratio. Annual fee, 0. Minimum deposit, $49, $99, or $200 depending on your creditworthiness. Some applicants qualify for a $200 credit limit with only a $49 deposit, which is the lowest secured card deposit available from any major issuer in 2026. APR, 29.99% variable. Rewards, none. This is a pure credit building card with no cashback or points program. Credit limit, starts at $200 with the possibility of a higher initial limit based on your application. And Capital One automatically considers you for a higher credit limit in as little as 6 months. Credit Bureau reporting, all 3 major bureaus. Graduation, Capital One reviews your account for upgrade to the unsecured Capital One Platinum card, with deposit returned. Best 4, applicants who want the lowest possible upfront deposit, or who have had some previous credit difficulty and want a clean restart with a major issuer. Card number 3, the Chime Credit Builder Secured Visa Credit Card. This card works differently from traditional secured cards and is the most flexible option available in 2026 for people who want full control over their credit limit. Annual fee, 0. APR, 0. There is no interest charged because the card requires you to move money into a credit builder secured account before spending, and you can only spend what you have deposited. No minimum deposit, you decide how much to move into the account and that becomes your spending limit. No minimum credit score required to apply, the lowest barrier to entry of any card on this list. Credit Bureau reporting, all 3 major bureaus. Unlike traditional secured cards, the Chime Credit Builder does not report a credit utilization ratio, it only reports payment history, which means it cannot hurt your score through high utilization. The catch, you must have a Chime checking account and receive a qualifying direct deposit to be eligible. Best 4, people who want 0 risk of overspending, 0 interest charges, and the lowest barrier to approval, particularly those coming out of financial difficulty who want the safest possible start. Card number 4, the Discover It Student Cashback Card. This is the strongest credit card available specifically for college students in the US who are building credit for the first time. Annual fee, 0. APR, 18.24% to 27.24% variable, lower than most secured cards because students are considered a more stable risk category than general applicants with no credit. Minimum credit score required, none. Discover approves this card based on student status and income, not credit history. Rewards, 5% cashback on rotating quarterly categories, which in 2026 include categories such as restaurants, gas stations, grocery stores, and Amazon, up to $1,500 in purchases per quarter when activated. 1% cashback on everything else. Cashback Match, same as the secured version, Discover matches all cashback earned in the first year, dollar for dollar. Good grades reward, $20 statement credit each school year your GPA is 3.0 or above. Credit Bureau reporting, all 3 major bureaus. Best 4, full-time or part-time college students who want to start building credit with a genuinely rewarding card, not just a fee-laden starter product. Card number 5, the Capital One Quicksilver Student Cash Rewards Credit Card. This is the best flat-rate rewards card for students who want simplicity, a single earning rate on every purchase with no rotating categories to track or activate. Annual fee, 0. APR, 19.99% to 29.99% variable. Minimum credit score, none, open to students with limited or no credit history. Rewards, 1.5% unlimited cashback on every purchase, every day, no categories, no quarterly activation, no caps. Welcome offer, $50 cash bonus after spending $100 in the first 3 months, one of the lowest spend requirements for a welcome offer on any credit card. Credit Bureau reporting, all 3 major bureaus. Capital One also offers CreditWise, a free credit monitoring tool available to cardholders that lets you track your score and see what is affecting it, which is particularly useful when you are actively building credit for the first time. Best for students who want a simple, flat-rate card with a small welcome bonus and no complexity, ideal if you want to set up one card, use it for everyday purchases, and pay it off automatically each month. Let us compare all 5 cards. Annual fee, 0 on all 5. Deposit required, Discover It Secured needs $200 to $2,500. Capital One Platinum Secured needs $49 to $200. Chime Credit Builder has no minimum deposit. Discover It Student and Capital One Quicksilver Student require no deposit as they are unsecured. APR, Chime is 0 as it is a prepaid structure. Discover It Student is the lowest traditional APR at 18.24% to 27.24%. Capital One Platinum Secured has the highest at 29.99%. Rewards, Discover It Secured earns 2% at gas and restaurants plus 1% elsewhere. Chime and Capital One Platinum earn 0 rewards. Discover It Student earns 5% rotating categories. Capital One Quicksilver Student earns 1.5% flat on everything. Who it is best for, Discover It Secured for the general credit builder who wants rewards. Capital One Platinum Secured for those who want the lowest deposit. Chime for those who want 0 APR and 0 utilization reporting. Discover It Student for students wanting maximum rewards. Capital One Quicksilver Student for students wanting simplicity. Remember, the APR on all these cards is high. Never carry a balance. Pay the full statement balance every month. The interest charges will cancel all reward value within days. Having the right card is only half the equation. How you use it determines how fast your score improves. Rule 1. Use the card regularly but keep utilization below 30%, ideally below 10% of your credit limit. If your limit is $300, keep your balance below $90 at all times. Rule 2. Pay the full statement balance before the due date every single month, not the minimum payment, the full balance. This avoids interest charges entirely and builds the strongest possible payment history. Rule 3. Set up autopay for the full statement balance so you never accidentally miss a payment. A single missed payment can drop your score by 60 to 100 points and stays on your credit report for 7 years. Rule 4. Do not apply for multiple credit cards at the same time. Each application generates a hard inquiry which temporarily reduces your score. Apply for one card, use it responsibly for at least 6 to 12 months, then consider whether you need another. Rule 5. Keep the card open and active even after your score improves. Length of credit history is 15% of your FICO score. Closing an old account reduces your average account age and can lower your score even when your finances are strong. Here is your action plan for building credit from scratch in 2026. Step 1. If you are a student, go directly to Discover It Student or Capital One Quicksilver Student, no deposit required, rewards included, 0 annual fee. Step 2. If you are not a student and have no credit history, the Discover It Secured card is the best starting point, 0 fee, rewards, and the strongest graduation pathway. Step 3. If you have had credit problems in the past and want the most cautious approach, start with Chime Credit Builder, 0 APR, no utilization reporting, lowest barrier to entry. Step 4. Once you have your card, use it for 1 or 2 small recurring purchases each month, a streaming subscription. Groceries, fuel, and set up automatic full payment. Step 5. Check your credit score monthly using the free tools provided by your card issuer. Most of the cards on this list include a free FICO score tracker. With consistent, responsible use, you can reach a 700 credit score within 12 to 18 months from 0. A 700+ score unlocks significantly better rates on mortgages, car loans, and personal loans, which over a lifetime represents tens of thousands of dollars in interest savings. Subscribe to Grow Your Wealth for daily money education.